developer no ensom aye Ricardo Quaresma masa akom ko nya ne nankofo bi ya na asababa bi wi o kan ba kwane a ne ye kan sa talent ewom na ye kasa bi ani pon ani bo na chese tutum sampo no som ani bo no na mama ye wiase ne mu nsensem akwadan na ye fa no sa Quaresma no ayo bi na dwumadie no na chese no som abosoro po no ano no tabon ye kan sa Travela na jaminya no sa akwadan na fa no sa Lamine Yamal enwa wono som asade ya assist ama aboboku a ye fa no bouncer ama chese no game no Rafinha Edisha go say jaminya no nyina no se bouncer for no say one listen aye Travela assist awoto akwadan na ye fa no sa Lamine Yamal aya wo ye bi against Villa wo ama Rafinha Edisha go wo ye bi against Espanyol ama Dani Olmo Edisha go ama chese anu na chonso no ekoba sa akwadan na fa no sa aye Lamine Yamal asaya Travela ensom ama chese akwadan na ne din ensom ade Rafinha enwa wono som asha go ma tim no na Rafinha after sano pay mereba to chese enwa game abasa for boy wono som aje man of the match award no report aminya no so say Barca atana kuma so a chese nyese bi atana kuma so bi asa keke Barca no atana kuma so pa na wo yo bi Barca no onso mo from adeba kono sa wo mo start anaso ba Barcelona na enhyedan koya manfo kabini adene nyina no wonom nunum sa ayede ebefa enam anioma fa amanioma ekoye ensom ademo no owura na ye fa no sa Rafinha wo say esanse Barca atana kuma so ntino ade bi ye wo so otemi ye ensom adebo FC Barcelona ama chese Barca afa no ntuma pa ensom afa bia no wono abrancha war sa Rafinha baye ensom amatim no ensom afa no ntuma pa fra na Perodista ayensan training na yakasam ayensan training a ye fa no sa Antonio Romero tie Romero say entinam pa sa Barca for bobo nam akwara na owo 17 years na mobia na chese Barca motwe ensom ade famo boa na esansa free na coin abrabia sa Barca everybody game na Lamine Yamal ama match ne bia no enkoye na no ya akwa muluzulusu bi ensom board drop akubitu aso a mukonya 1/9 points no wotiri ya ba sa akora na amobi na match asema matacha ensom abeta na chasema tapa ensom etati na akora ne ba na no ya match ase enro a abanta won se Lamine Yamal ensom na be ru match ne no wo bia humato ba Lamine Yamal so bon enro a na cheso wotiri ya ba Lamine Yamal na mode aya teso no nyina no ensom akwakwaso akwata no na de obeso kan nyina ensom ane say and the difference ada aya Barcelona ensom atim ntam aya akwata na wonom our 17 years na ye fa no say Lamine Yamal no mo say na Lamine Yamal 17 na we bought the ball and some ama Barcelona na o make it difference anya bia Obama Madrid and also Obama Atletico ama kwahwen said the amount for so ashase a wo mo so ade go run and fan say Antonio Romero and some so na o fan say Javier Mascherano and one na coach Leo Messi mo and some na Inter Miami na Mascherano no say ono dia ofu say Barca dwumadi obedi ere nyina no wo mo nyina no ama ba ye dwuma omukọ na some ade ba ko onim ana asema wano som abaso ka ensom anisa abrabi ya nipa bi ababa Barcelona na bia sani pa baba na obeku ne ho ensom amatim ni bia no ya na nipa na ekwa ne kwa no ensom anya ne kwa no awo fom ama chese kwan amofa so a mo nso mo ja nipa na kwa ne sani amari nyina no ya na chese no enso antwa ye na de okensom anisa owa adwuma Xavi abeye ye na Xavi Hernandez adwuma di obedi ye ensom ama Barca empo Xavi abefa Barcelona tema na Barca atija tema na nyoma nkoye tema na chesene metetia pasam sa time no ana refer sa Xavi ensom abefa Barcelona na so Bayern no nyoma complicate na team no watomo be La Liga abaye adwumaden ensom na ensom rekwanya mova so amja refer sa Xavi ensom akwan sane mari nyina no ensom aya deba ko so mo hwe na afi mo so mutimisia no sense nipa no adotim no wo ba no abaye adwumaden arebo football club ne pa obo sam akwa bibia ho na ne amane manso agija amane manso jiku awo jiri ba sasane man nyina no enso akran bi anamane manso asaya enom ya asmo wura fa no sama shwono no wono so area to Cafe Shack mame Real Madrid team boss anopai yaba be studios na jaminya no sa Madrid 14 boss na atua enam kwam akosam mames esansanya fei anya dem ye train area tibia enso baba ko jamensa kano enso ano sa Real Madrid team boss enie womo nam kwam womo yom border womo so akosam mames security enso aye tight our braway enso aye moment abobokua ye fa no sa Los Blancos team ni womo akosam mames anadui menimza aye basa support asere dia masa mode aye kokromoti asifom achese enye kokromoti ketwa kra pinam panisana Real Madrid adeba wo ho because the moment at Madrid ebe win wo game now outstanding game Madrid ebe say win no wo aba sign bobokua ye fa say Barcelona ensom awo entina wa bro sa game no ebe so our some mames our bro we ensom aye big game ebe bobokua ye fa say Real Madrid awa win no wo twen say team no ensom abetimi aslake and no I said yes city ya don't something in ante bana mamina wono boy doctor na mom ya kansa why physiogenomics na physiogenomics no yesem oye adwuma adema Dani Carvajal na mamina ya from Exa Gonzalez de Arriba on one casano where nutritionist and some adema abranta one side Dani Carvajal womo say oye specialist in aye physiogenomics na abasa be a players near takansa injury prevention sabia oye player rough sabia oye player basa anso no sane mari nyina no wonye nipa wonom abecho sabia oye wei eye wei wudi wei endi wei oye sem aye se ya obepra anso no sane mari nyina no enom ana mamane ye ho adwuma enti de minya ene report amense kan sana yes Real Madrid team no anso afa mamane adwuma nanka oye adwuma adema Dani Carvajal na mam de amense kanisa aya recommendation ana baya ama chesa amami ene amonso atimi afana ya den amteta no dia kan nyina no enso adema ye tofa awo show no so na ukase wa brekoba sa manager ya fano Jose Mourinho abase ko Sukuru Salakogu Stadium enom aya farna Bochi wabaka sam Anderson Talisca in fact last year summer and I some for this year summer from January enter banning you know na man for be crowd with Jiri be say be Brazil ya kwatana ya fan say Anderson Talisca no wo some other permanent man akwasan say one make us ai and when Ronaldo atia drongo so and Ronaldo say yan ton man nkoko ye wo mo wose ye ton ye jom nyina kwan e mo ko aka Brazil ya kwatano na enam edi ka ba say Jose abaso wo fano report am say kan say na ye say verbally o manya wie anom between player no wono som ane fare na Bochi when encha kra metisa ye dibronya wie na winter transfer market ni bia emu ana dia mensa kan say player na ye fan say Talisca betimi join manager fan say Jose ensom our Turkish league no diaka and say clubs no me no ensom na betimi strike sa do na enom ay update aba hon sem ni na no ye de ema ye tofa enano pay ensom our show so me ko France na unum say Paris Saint-Germain womo so aye team ba ko dru ba bi no womo so benya MNM sedam be yatwam na ye wo aye BBC awo aye MNS a cheso mo nyina no aso mo ba ji omodim PSG ebenya Messi Mbappe Emma MNM enso abaye adwuma na mekaye pasam ne batu twa some weeks ago Emma meka chaw say we fan say Emmanuel Petit as we Mbappe when abaye na ai ana penalty ba me na mebo yamwa manuwa muna no kunkon chese yamawo cham so yen kawansam wa ye ho data ba chese ohini bi a chese wo de wo ye ya di neme ni sa da bia nemo issues ana le masse ba kan ho masse so abati bi huai wo mo me no nyina kwaye ana wa ja league no ana wo ko na omo do omo tiri ye ba sa masse na wo kwaye no ɛnom ana ma attraction na one year you found say French league ni mo and some about from and latest I mean you say when him say Paris Saint-Germain omo panifo no metesem omo su ni nyina no say maybe you twam time na Messi Neymar and some other chess Mbappe womo Paris Saint-Germain you say womo nyoma na nkomutimi ton daily woko ayo Sham LC a chess omo kaso e-store ewo ho anasem pa bia wo beton nyoma ni bi ensom online no womo say daily dabia na sounds a Paris Saint-Germain womo ye over 100,000 euros and no daily and now mommy is saying anyway womo say 10,000 crown bema edio now so maybe you come no make it 10 times a amount metim dia to just say 10,000 no mo ye over 100,000 euros and no sell sebia we be to JC we be to memorabilia no so no ma chese no ensom aka ewom afedia mensa kan nyina no sa we drew aye kata answer a mirror of Kata report on me say kan say say yesem owura no wono a onka hwenkyere obi amu ana na chese bia yakofa na ma ba a mirror of Kata ana chese bia le mesinum also kwan bia so no mede onom enso aba Nelso na yese oma jai ayesa adwumade ni nyina no ensom adama president na ye fa ne sa aye Sheikh Nasser Al Khalifa na so kabobi atwam aye Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani ono ana call shot ni nyina no sa amanfo bi susu owura no wo ye lose interest ensom abotem ni mo na yeso ono a ontimi meka because sikani ade wontimi nto Uwo sika, uni sika nche aye emir of Kata. Ento onu a onkaso obetono mom. Jamimi se kan sesebia, we be show interest sample wonom mistake awo obaso to a. Yesu won betimi ate ase ato sansene no asa wo ya twene ho kakra because anem when akwakofa na ba ababa PhD then come project and say when be UEFA Champions League area so na so besin na me no kasa sa project ni nyina no enso ya tonsuom ama manager Fancy Enrique Enwa mebeka tro so no kwade players no ensom bi aso ade agunu so ebi mu ani coach na ti adoa ngoma so anei de menya no sa mirror of Kata no ensom nya ne shares anasa ne stake ni nyina no wono som na betimi agemu a eno aye update aba juwe boboku no metisa Juventus ampano for say winter transfer market ni bie na obanim sa wo Dusan Vlahovic womom abeton na omokoye Vlahovic wanhwa Thiago Motta di omeka se bia coach na sa because manager bia oba bia na same no and shouldn't koye and senior oba senior my kama na ba senior ma koye de ma la Vikia Signora and no and some Juventus omutim no dia e just abantie wo som agane kwama na ko adjame sa kan nyina no sa wo som ready so wura no wo som na bagane kwama na ko and no pen na catch us away and about the first time abamunchin wo mo ko kiba for some no noya and some do red card na jetano no, you know, about 21 seasons. Now, just as seasons as a goalkeeper, Marco 21 years and year, and I know you some abom. I over 923 matches, and I know ya as about a fee and what do red card. Now, 38-year-old man, no ya deba konesa Shaq mama omo ba recently. Woman bamuch and every hour near your father said Pokano Munano Peno, maybe see some other manamum, make a choice 2021. Woman some from Archers and no, now I host and clear, and I am from a second round, you know, and watch Borussia Mönchengladbach, and some I am from a second round. Now I 2022, 2023, woman from our quarterfinals, I know, and some I have Freiburg Babakono, and 2023, 2024, I have Saarbrücken, and you are from I just a second round, and a run of 16, woman some Asako Frimo. Now, Jamina Sakotena, your father Jamal Musiala, almost say, Wamate, say, yes, Pap Gadiola, nom, ever some Obadia Kotai, ever Plessy, or Fanasa, Kevin De Bruyne, and what about to Babate, yes, Real Madrid, and Omope, to Baby, yes, Chelsea Bobokuno, and some other Somasako Fakotena, your father Jamal Musiala, Unum said Jamina, and so Bino, and Chabia, Oba sign it in the contract, Oba extended. Now, yes, extension, Sika, Omodama Koran initially. No man for me said ebia kodai abaje chesaba 20 million euros ani ya chire kakra because aho ana Lewandowski abaje bie enam no ka se Harry Kane enso mara just amount no na so de minya no so bani sika obabaje no 4 years aya 100 million euros after 4 years 100 million no automatically one season bia no aya 25 million euros ana akwara ketwa na ye fa no sa Jamal Musiala enso abaje that is unfold. What do you want to be in future? Say yes. Over to pilot. Say I could say, you know about Tom Mutuono. I get 25 million euros a season. I just am Dominion say. So I'm money 4 years, I'm money 5 year dollar. I 125 million euros. I know I amount to Akadena. Your friend says Jamal Musiala and some Nabaja Edia Gunabotom. Nigerian striker friend say Victor Boniface. Boniface and some yes Manchester for the Bayers. So Omanya Gil Carres, Omanya Boniface Kwana, Womope. And then member studio and Amina feed beside Boniface no one also also extended a contract from 2028 and 2029 now ababa beka omo just kakase our Liverpool in Nigeria ya kwatana ya fanasa Victor Boniface no enso abeka wo be so be jai boy na amana ko empo wo nya ready sa sama ebai wo ton esanso no na sesei wo be koso man ya kwatana no enso aya juma wa brana no pam de betu twasa and one time wo kasa wo supporters I chante you are getting sacked in the morning and no ayomu coach I fanasa Julen Lopetegi masa as a resource and resource no nyenye metesa former Juventus a coach son saying no na London and the mountain so na almost say Mas Allegri ayobi ono no wo mo be say bi omo consider no omo ka managers na wo be dia ba to dwura no enso adinka ho na report am say kan say Man City woman ya brepa na enuma ka wo ama manager for the Pep was standing a contract ama Man City bama say January transfer market tabie na bia City taba akumie bia and we just or the boss ye keke woman de fa hit na mom ye season way say bia City budget Champions League go say City budget Premier League go say City budget Travelers Obama said the Man City buy business and I some anymore aba Jonesa Jamina no say creature Kvaratskhelia yes almost say Jeremy Doku asem and then now just ya can say kwada masa oni braba o wo say akwadana ya fan say creature Kvaratskhelia wonom ana Jamina say kan say boboku a ya fan say Man City for ni abra wo so maba so mtereba enye Jack Grealish no ene ho asem bi ene a just ni nyina no enso my update taba manager your friend Pep Guardiola diano say are you ready dia mo friend no enso from me na we friend so Pep wonom ane wo say you want to twasa na was run supporters momra na mo na monim adwuma players wey enso abo mo na monim dwuma dia players wey enso adintinai say bia nioma nkoye na nioma nhera nkosede I was say no so nsi kwa osremu a momra na mo support it na dey a nioma abesesa yenti coach your friend Pep.
The situation is what it is, and we need to always have been there. I will have the feeling, so they know exactly what these guys have done, what this team have done in the last decade. I would say it. Many good moments where they live together, and they know that we need absolute support because all of us players, especially are human beings, and of course they are, as always, willing to give everything to try to change that dynamic.
Yes, and no, I am some manager fancy yourself Pep Guardiola, and I'll tell you, Casa, your dinner accepts Emma Tefontina, so we are Man City Alpha manager, so Samuel Mumra, Namama supporters, and Sababia Tree, Wamusum Nayamopa, and Manchester United, our Emirates Stadium, Modi away Jesse, and I'll crack my Masama, dear, a Jawum F. Na Arsenal, a book game, coach na, your friends are Ruben Amorim and Opay, Middle Reference at Tatiana Bana, Ruben Amorim on Arsenal, or say, onom said the Arsenal boboku no eno ensom asitia because nanu ye ya no coach sport no kai Arsenal koi ama ne hye Arsenal boboku no ya bi ana nanu yo ba ye ya Arsenal koi ya Arsenal ko hye enum wo so onim dwumadi Arsenal team di because sometimes no Arsenal team no Arsenal ehu ba bi weaknesses ewo na so na Arsenal ababe more fluid and enye den at the first na mu agono pa it match where the baza abaye den ano ba den pa manager no a chance wonu adwuma so no wonum coach into ohu tima emra ohu ana ohu tima assistant so ohu yentie coach Afan Amorim on Arsenal.
Already knew it. Arsenal this year they play a little bit different. They are more fluid. You cannot, for example, 2 years ago when we faced them with Sporting, you knew how to press because they were you can understand better the structure. Now it's more fluid with Calafiori in Timber in different size, one coming inside, the other going outside. Also, Odegaard changed the team. And you can feel it during this season. So you can take something from that game, especially because I know so well the opponent, so you can understand the weakness of that team. But every game is different, so you take something, but you already know that.
Yes, and no aye kakra manager fan say Ruben Amorim bo obate je out say manager and some adene some to Ghana and ye bon sanya bi aman you our form and as say and no some city and adwena coach no baby am dem kwa so say we be so kan Man United supporters amutie no mo a moye fans amutie no nyina tutum sa dina ye fan sa so chene de aye den e bebo na mo madru time e bi enso ya bubu for so ba eni kwan sa mo be na coach nyade bia ne ba mo se afei and wa ba mo nyuntum sa games amobɔ no nyina dru ba bia mo ba twen afa mo bo edruba bi a game amobɔ no nyina mo nhye den hunu so wo ba Man U ebo game mo nhye den hu Man U ye emane how because on wo benya nka game bia na Manchester enyan win game bia na Man U edin kunim na mom won wo giri e ba sa ebre mu odene kwa na ba mo ma na esa say difficult moment re dia afei ana Man U kra ba face especially aya na ju game e ba so yentie coach a ye fa no say Amorim.
I would like to say different things, but I have to say it again. The storm will come. I don't know if you use that expression, but we are going to have difficult moments, and we will be found out in some games. And I know that because I'm knowing my players, and I know football, and I follow football. So I understand the difference between the teams. And we are in the point that we are putting simple things in the team without training, and you feel it. In this game against Everton, they changed a little bit the way they were building up. They are very good teams, and we were with a lot of problems because we cannot change it by calling one thing.
Na chesa nyese bia druba bi na emu ode ya bomma you bomb ma chesa pressure dom so anya fe na baba ya ana die nie bia ni eya botra dwuma na sesei wono so mdagu so wo ye edema tim na Chelsea manager no wonim say na omo game omo kwa we akwa de menya no sa record edawo edema Chelsea owura ye fon sa Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank no aye 2001 one calendar year na chesa 36 Premier League goal one involvement onyai na jamenya no se Cole Palmer aye one goal why so one shot away side as we be goal and so be assist na goal involvement and aye in the calendar year no we betimi equal refer say Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank and no aye na dru game e ba so na Maresca na mo se na title yes boy na mo boy de mutimi je aye title sumu na so wo se ba Arsenal adru no one by ho ba Liverpool adru no one by ho one no by Man City was some Chelsea for no and so encounter yentie coach fan say Enzo Maresca.
They have been there in the last 2 years, very close to City, and we were very far to City. To be in the title race is nice pressure for me and for the players. It's not that kind of pressure that you don't like. It's that kind of pressure that you like because you are in the title race. But it's not our case, and the reason why I said because Arsenal in the last 2 years, they were very, very, very close to City, Liverpool. They have been there, and we were not there. And as I said, hopefully soon we can be there.
Meza, yankwe.
Yes. Fancy ma yenchia Kumasi ma yenchia Ghana for you know muti issue no. Na say the boy from Porto Alegre, West Ingra, abon home den etimi at the Barcelona see the shoulders. Enya results at the moment in the shape of a Rafinha. Akoda ya rejected on so many occasions due to the size and the real UCT. And today, on the kuta the story of Barcelona, a movie forward. Emmanuel Etimiko Yemomo. In the darkest moment of Barcelona in the last few games, I strongly believe say supporters no mabema bukaka. Me betina no beka say Barcelona bought 3 games. No mabwa no monya 1 point per as compared to omo pre-league, you know, in the shape of Real Madrid near Atletico Madrid. Where an Atletico Madrid enya 9 out of 9, Real Madrid sweatimenya 9 out of 9. But heard how omoba back about say back against Mallorca. Ebenya these particular results na emise esewani ensese ekatre. This is a good step for Barcelona, and the leader of delegation is the captain and not by anybody else. Rafinha say otimi bono mode. And ebenya Yamala Omano a very good assist with the Trivela cross na otimi prebo no edito net. I'm so happy for Rafinha say enyoma pick the man pa. In recent times, Barcelona Brazilian players or Marco Forma, but there's a little bit of question around them. Kakra, Mobehe Marco, Mobehe Felipe Coutinho. These guys, no mobile and answer none your man down Kuyin Fan Momo. And the first season for Rafinha, so Momo question Kakra say we be ye. But this time around, what Timmy enya consistency beyond my results, no, the man. I'm so happy for him. Say Enyoma Edane Ede Ama Rafinha or no. Lead this Barcelona delegation to get the results for them. So Ombetima fighting for the league. Now 4 points between Omo and Real Madrid. Real Madrid be born a game against El Bilbao. Yababa sa game no so but fancy. Enzo Maresca can come on now all this Chelsea and when it comes to the title contenders, no. One way or the other in the public. Memene the Bayard dream because or they control the expectations around the team.
Salmon.
Yes, but the results now Chelsea no. Results are more competitive when you want to win the league title. Results now Chelsea nyano. Results are it puts you in the discussions when it comes to wine and a bit more fighting for the league title. Chelsea ni Arsenal with the same points. Chelsea ni Arsenal with the same goals. Chelsea ni Arsenal maintaining the same consistency and momentum. But you say Arsenal title contenders, but Chelsea title contenders. Between the two, fancy. In the last seasons, I have 5 seasons now. I have Mikel Arteta before Arsenal team no. On far Arsenal, NGBBA not to even talk about the league. So how can you say Arsenal are title contenders, but Chelsea are title contenders? Obi Obeka Sasim ni BBA, and I'm telling you for a fact, say, Omo they manage expectations around Chelsea team no. They are using it to manage expectations around the Chelsea team. Baby at Chelsea level na do sisi. E say nkoda no mo ni na Chelsea betima show mo nyina sitre. The mid-table clubs. I'm talking about the mid-table clubs. I'm not talking about more the top half of the table.
Okay.
The mid-table clubs and the Chelsea approve say omo betimi ni oma bono din. And the previous results at Chelsea nyano approve it say they only need to get a certain level of consistency with the next games. And don't bet my baby even Arsenal. And today, Crown Chelsea beat my son Arsenal one day. Arsenal beat my son. Arsenal Chelsea crowd beat my son close gap no from 9 points no to 6 points and ne yam no what say. It when you raise the discussion about anayadi so ho anayadi say my friend Debbie.
Only name the team. I know what say. Ahead of
Chelsea next fixtures.
Okay.
Chelsea on for the same team they bought the Conference League.
Yes.
In the league. Or boss Southampton. Say if you are supposed to go by Chelsea form or their ball matches this season now, Southampton game shouldn't be a game. I was say you Chelsea.
Okay.
I'm speaking based on the form and the quality at Chelsea war. I know say football, anything can happen. Southampton beat my Chelsea. But if you are speaking with maybe a Chelsea free banner form no in the last few games now. And the game Southampton shouldn't be a threat for Chelsea. Odi ano to nchombe bo Tottenham Hotspur. Games I mean say Chelsea abo tia the big size in Tottenham form no. That game shouldn't be a serious game be a Chelsea. Then maybe heard Chelsea any Brentford will home. Chelsea fear this season na kasana didn't say where didn't say Bentakra said they are about honoma. Ebi at 1 point na beti ma fire day. Ako ba oguru ho beti mi do aka form. Obo Brentford we are Chelsea no ebesa ba bebo Everton ewa away. Chelsea bebo Fulham ofie. Chelsea beko Ipswich no abo Crystal Palace. Some games are yama bosu nyina no per Chelsea form. Tieniye per Chelsea form. Any results no manya in different anything can happen but per Chelsea form na ye nim no. In the last 5 games na Chelsea abono. Any the results no munya no. Any the quality na there na. These are games I say 18 points kana Chelsea beat accumulate 15 points.
Yeah.
So we can have a discussion at that particular angle. Say Chelsea can say and Mr. Coach they manage expectations. Fancy. The results has been there and they've been consistent enough when it comes to the league.
Some passports.
Let's see how it goes. And no one is Southampton. Southampton will feel Obibeka said this is a game I also Chelsea. I agree based on the fact and everything that is there.
But so more Liverpool.
Omo Liverpool there but Chelsea born omo born. Obesha no so obesha bebre. I didn't Chelsea and no. Chelsea game no more born. They are going to concede. But Chelsea make sure that the moment they concede, they score more than you. And Chelsea, what check league table now in terms of top scorers in the leagues, no more contributing to more goals now. Yabeka Ellen Hallard, Yabeka Mohamed Salah. I think Nicholas Jackson is also making the case for himself among the informed attackers in the league in the last few games. And the level of consistency, improving so well. He's assisting and he's scoring. Cole Palmer has not been Nipa Yehu the last season. Said they be a Chelsea who train and on in the belly out. Say Nicholas Jackson abeji side they see na beti so. I know this Adjumano. And no kind of someone here risky more opponent because they say no attention best which is say Cole Palmer and crowd me yana hwe. There no attention according to Nicholas Jackson so them panyan Cole Palmer. Esu na mechi no bobo on the tonet. Chelsea has a good story with Italians. Aside the form now Chelsea won. Antonio Conte buy Obeji League. Yeah. Carlo Ancelotti buy Obeji League. Di Matteo buy Obeji Champions League. The only people buy one team for Manji BB. Claudio Ranieri. Yeah. That one was not even under the Roman Abramovich Kwabeto team no. For 50 years now Chelsea corner mo break. Gianluca Vialli. Before even Ranieri there was Gianluca Vialli. Yeah. And on about Chelsea was how Chelsea be dominating. So with Enzo Maresca what is our form the Kwampoto Chenya? Chelsea will good luck when it comes to Italian managers and where they are. And I must say, let me commend Moises Caicedo, Lavia, and Enzo Fernandez for how Omotimia overcoming the criticism. Set Omo price tag, any the kind of performances Omo done did last season, it was poor. But this season, they've been able to turn the tide around. And I think Chelsea against Southampton, Chelsea beat me I win this game, even over 1.5, maybe a 2-1, 3-2. A best Liverpool game normally Southampton boy now. That is how it's actually going to reflect and be done. Away from that,
Arsenal did a quickly.
Fancy Arsenal and Manchester United game, you're quite dicey kakra. Now, Adiema Eric Ten Hag, the normal last season in 19 now was the Arsenal game. Football is defined by small margins. Sir Alejandro Garnacho ball now, you ball through pass, or fire, you J offside no. That was the turning point of Eric Ten Hag's season last season in the league. It was the area or a press conference we are not referred to as match because the momentum was about to turn and the belief was actually growing within this particular Manchester United side.
Not born off.
And it was strange because that was the moment. Or says Arsenal be shared by 2-1. And Sarah last was shared by 3-1. In that particular game. So that was a small margin in the turning point between that time and this time. Manchester United team no. I'm not talking about in terms of structure or system. I'm talking about player quality no team no. We still have most of the player Garnacho dasu wom. Dasu Lisandro Martinez wom. Kobe Menu dasu ho, Casemiro dasu ho, Harry Maguire dasu ho, Obia dasu ho, Bibian Shenansi sign. If Manchester United wants to score Arsenal in the number, Omunchia the right half space. The right half space, Anna Odegaard ni Bukayo Saka. Some Manchester United players you see a WhatsApp in the starting 11. Obo Diego Dalot. asem no unless say they move Diego Dalot to the right hand side, because we saw Mazraoui ne Bukayo Saka in the Bayern Munich versus Arsenal game no. Okananu to mupa. You need your quality players to be operating on the other half. Personally, I prefer Sanke starting lineup ne pa die. And came from Mazraoui nkobo wing back on no track Bukayo Saka. Na hari magwa so nka ne ho.
Me Amorim no you be
no mu this adwuma no because that is the only way me I'm not scared of Martinelli.
Okay.
Me Arsenal team way Trossard no enye hu.
Mate, Meza.
Both team to score.
Oh, okay.
And over 1.5.
Okay.
But Arsenal, remember Arsenal slight win.
Real Madrid and so they Bilbao sama mess.
Real Madrid and she on best lose another game.
Hey.
At first, Real Madrid didn't convincing. I don't know. Vaz Wabet was Real Madrid didn't convincing in big games. This season, they are not convincing.
And everyone has to assure from me.
They're convincing in big games.
Fancy, my main court Tunisia on. Na menchia Shokan Mohammed.
Oh, Shokan's Otiana. Also Oti. Shokan born there in Rombo because they blasters now some munya call
Club African Tunisia or monitor life.
Some passport.
Mamenchano.
Club African and team Ketwa.
Ni team of film Sakafia. So on a captain or
Sagafia for my
but we fine. Fancy Real Madrid for no season in yan said the AC Huno. Blep ne ba Barcelona side no. And a my who send my ye kakra or Real Madrid side ho. Because Bona no more bono. Sa warning no. Mezaya Tinaha soundy ya so what you needed that or be a bit humble long moment there be intimidating yet. Nasa CCIC ne. Baba so na for na yi kakra na to mono. Emma my phone was okay. Yasan back in the league beating me about, but still you could see team in your team that convincing. Into your team beer and not of a one coach or no bar with me hero. Or one quality coach. O de Barcelona crano or year Jumadmo power on the nearly Coco and Bitino or Bassa or history. He's one coach on a team like a Senebo said you see no mobile. Tino and they gave me a game back where a be very difficult. But say remarried to me winnie. A beer one a year winner, a be a step in the right direction. They are more. A bit me a Kenya Nioma. Because Mbappe go no shame over the weekend. No nye good game and then so nature say no shall say pick the mano. Because said I'm for dinner home comono. So to me ye be my man for the derby. This is Mbappe. Because Niom or no set it tone a man home. What Paris Saint-Germain or Monaco. No sir. Ye relatively now only good players almost around you.
But oh yeah,
Jumano. So when you come to a setup to say Real Madrid setup, no, now Obia expect say you give everything and now give Monaco and even more. And on to me my anything I did or a flop of Real Madrid, no. But early days yet, you who Vinicius Junior in the first days of Real Madrid, Benzema mo, Yahuamo. But they say no game near unforgiving. Young chairman on Gaza was settle low. A month when you have brain investment, a month for your crown, you might pressure about so. So he needs to start making sure that no man telling my Real Madrid. And idea, bet me a dia momo. Yesterday's win for Barcelona was one important win for them because November month and your man didn't year. So they needed this win.
Before this game, and about 2 years of coaching, so many just in November. I couldn't and no sense you should be after the game.
No November, yet. Kura and dinner, sir, Umatimia da win no. And so we know how important that young guy, Lamine Yamal, Edema Barcelona. Just look at that assist to Edema Rafinha. It tells you the kind of player Edema team of Barcelona. But so we know what a different dimension to a more system assigned to reference Hansi Flick at the front. At the end of a branch Lewandowski. He will play and score important goals for Barcelona. But when he is not in Barcelona setup, I need one year fast a quick chance now. Into natural goals now Rafinha session. Said Lewandowski Rafinha won't be in that position.
Okay.
Enti ebeyi nyoma danyoma di. Say moving forward, so we share defenders are almost sit deep, almost sit tighter. Maybe Lewandowski be super sub.
Oh.
Yes. So we share players are almost bought be a ball highline ni be there. Wait my Lewandowski. Ni game ni bit me aba normal. But you more bet na three asset deeper. You need Rafinha more mobility ni Torres mo animu yamam be ya adwuma na de amount because yesterday they were very fast when animu omo jibo na because Mallorca for city deep into they needed to think fast. No mere fast. And untimi teenager. Lewandowski na him or paying the dues from Dortmund, from or Bodiama Bayern Munich or Barcelona, no matter in times of need. What born when we're paying the dues. Into moving forward, no, Hansi Flick new direction to the systems are as obo. And the money important we back on here say, now you say amount for who ne style na that high line amount for who na. I think say a very good one say or Matimia win this game no and so Edia Mallorca and they will build on that. Nasa wins no will come and make Barcelona for no or Makum and Tomuyam. Because when they started, they felt said they are runaway league winners or more Quaco. But when you buy Munuma, Numa Yakakra. But this win was a statement and an important winner or more and Swetiminiano ho. Uraya Fenomano Yantias yes. Obed Dan who di our World Cup Nasi in 2010 as a say no. Sam Renin Hobium. Only goalkeeper my who say in modern times will be bought as a sweeper. By the age, you know. Any said no mercy, no, he can still continue be doing Sanemano. And no record no be and it was needless. Frimpong crowd was struggling to even get the ball down. And defenders were around. Indeed, that risk now take here. What was the importance of that risk? Maybe about 10 years ago, calculate say some koha within space of 30 seconds make me do. But now nature chow. Ube delay 5 seconds womb. Into quabia foul when these things will come. And for the first time in a career, what the red card no? Ntinobu was so timid so. Now one Tiasia said, no man no yen what time I knows and own to me yebim. Now the most important he needs to be doing, minding the post. That sweeper row coming out of the post to Bayern Munich every single time. No? He won't get it on accuracy as he used to get. Because age are catching him. O calculate here NC so. Because body nan kasa be twa san bo bia na ehema no no ye no tetenanse no so tell you say o nyini na wo kon untimi mfa emfie no nya bibia definitely e be kache wo ene na kache na ene sa kind of performance na so timbe no kanya na red card na Bayern Munich game ni mu omoko enso kwa akoyo even when they were man down omutimi bo modern create chances and omutimi control game at a point in time. So I think there's so otimi dane ni omani ene ye be bo Mourinho su in the Premier League.
Who can say Arsenal Arsenal
since 2019, Man U winning Emirates. And in the Premier League this season, 5 games, winning away. The only win they winning away was against Southampton.
Under Ten Hag
Manchester United under Ten Hag.
Okay.
And Resuba saw the ball against Ipswich. Echo ball draw. In Toronto saw the count away games them for Manchester United. Omo ko Emirates, a play they've not won since 2019.
Oh.
And no bad Premier League, you need that Subono to see 1 or 2 things. Now on Tinasi, now on set it up. Now on Yanomaye. Ye kwako boa Mourinho to where Emirates. Ateta the number 2 years.
Was a bachelor man you for your question 1 year.
A bebe 2. I am Morimo. Openi a bebe 2-0. 3-1.
Varas.
Openi.
To Ruben Amorim team 2.
Openi. November yeah because you call the rest of break on November no. Nas na da fom buobu omuzu. Ye ko be wa sporting num. Wa be share West Ham to aso into omusu ye call break ni ba no. O ma fom ntuma po afira.
Wo hwe omne Everton man.
Ye hwe omne Everton ye team wa ba bi woni nam.
Okay. Wo na Renzo Junior say Akomia we all know Arsenal will score you guys, but please, you guys should try and reduce the goals to 2-1.
Our grounds, no. It used to be our playgrounds until recently.
Yeah.
And even Eric Ten Hag by Manchester United. Metimakacho said, me say last season, the smaller margin between whatever happened between Garnacho and the offside, and then whatever happened with the results at the letter. Arsenal Crampo, about Old Trafford, versus Manchester United 1-0. No. That game, Arsenal was not the best team at the end of the day. Arsenal was not the best team. When you game as Arsenal could to atare Manchester so akoshe Manchester
United say be for Arsenal because of Amorim factor so na ma me kasa
Premier League match bia no efo Premier League no match bia no I for baby no.
Well, Frank Kwabeno say good morning. I'm watching the show live from Adroba Health Center. Keep it up. More update on Chelsea news. When you see Mondai born 80 was say. Okay, my man, Real Madrid will find it very difficult to win against Bilbao. I know you're Justito Junior and just a message, and so a buy. Fancy, please tell Akomia that Pep Guardiola will surely bounce back very soon. He should watch the way he's talking bad about him. He is type of coach Man United will never get. Yeah, and if you cry now, when I did about my Namunya be that. Whoa, young call about real quick and none of my Bobo Swam a Pamon Fancha election week in Tisana, a Benyamia, my 12 and we have a Biaba fine, just a 9:30 near Baba Befa, Yagania Beam, Edia Mamona. Yadi training amount training near LTM services and training center as a boys now, and a man of Musuya forklift. Oh, pretty and as excavator obeso suase de suo pretty no empo a wheel loader backhoe and a plumbing training abeso sua and no a 6 weeks and omodema ebeko so e wo so am macro junction here na form no a 100 Ghana cedis oje ayo form area at the so benya free reflective vest 1 obenya helmet back free and so aso from telephone was 0534 045169 no ajinchomu enso ade free o Dwaberua bank company for say enkancho say edwade bia bank ade bia no omudibi na ne de omudi ababeka ho no enso aye cash collection tea say bia so mobile for dia na sempo ayie ana abafie oye wedding dwumade bia wodi bia na e bia sika amanfo ba tutu bia gu so amanfo ba bon san ene sika wonsem ni nyina no wo mu ebeba be cash collection amount say de bia e bi enfa ba bia account bia so no omba bia bi enso ama branches adolso okwa ejoso bonre aboaso Roman Hill nom NHS adeshman no a Dwaberua bank e ho ha omoye adwuma 0271409340 OP wo papers na ho ana abekwa jode e dey free na ba ko mienu miensa na obeton amaw ana obeso to bi ekoton so anu so benya woni kumanse na abese bi o package ni kama e dey money kama saka product ani nyina no Dwaberua bana se we yo OP mum and dey e wo papers ni nyina no nsem no enso ebe ma best lamp so benya bi TV backlight afi plastic wardrobes any diffusers flowers any wall clocks no e ba best spread say a duvet umpa na aye king size and also mattress no aye queen size abenya so eno de afro adum pz na na kwasi ajima bounce na mu chronom barrier on the market edi enimhwe 0540 353750 yankomre yafa commercial kakra bi enso abaye bana yababeto aso edi afro yankomra.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Oh, bossy Gringo Peters Carnival! Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Bossy Gringo Peters, 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilinina. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Bossy Gringo Peters Carnival. Gringo! We don't give a fuck with someone.
Mama Baba, Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my dear, you say, you be CC will sing, my bow sing her by Amaro Noom, and so Ati, and I say, will sing animal young so far and to my pa. If you fix one no, and I say, you tap for a permanent one more, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crowd. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, India, and near my be as she says, a cinema, said, aduro okasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebewu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen wa na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down dome kwa benya runabout no so wa na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na Tachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na enihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda itini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade eno so biem
what are you going to see about queen why me say
bra said the time about measure esia gimi ni me fie for enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this ofani nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about measure ho adansia we se nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria we dra ni time about measure
enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontimi anidie no we dra ni time about measure edre enya ma oba wa fafuo die wo ma akoda no fo enya akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about measure edre bi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidie malaria bi ansa
ayo se time ni TIME time about measure afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziva ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
ese wiase mu die ejuma ba ku ntimi muwa wo enti prebi bi sua ka ho fagidie eni akukuduro ubetimi ajama na brosumpo ko RTM training center na one for 3 weeks pe and show senior ye tree excavator and also your operative forklift we are ye be some more certificate di aka ho na so wo pese after training no so wutu kwa aman bi so te sa Canada, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic akoye ejuma wo ho so a ye wo ejuma wo
ebi a hwe efiri bia se wonya bre na wo hwe ye RTM training center adwumaku a ye boawo emaunsa na adwuma tetew se de be ya obetimi di abobra akọwanim se wo de bobra Ghana ha na se wo di tuku akwa amanane RTM training center betimi aboa e wo sa kwan ne so se opeso osua forklift opeso osua excavator opeso osua wheelloader anase backhoe anapeso osua plumbing na edibritie bi beboa amwatimi ehunu na watimi so de akwa bobra e wo ba bia pese wo de ko bobra bia RTM training center a institution
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu se be wo me se abofrake to wanya 2 years akada ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla be abofrake to yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo bia Super FM expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se bo abofrake ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofrake na wo secret ku ano anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom. Ana police mi di wa dan say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a boosting immune system. Ama say me yetua na me ntebe. Mitimi di kama. Ama wo ka wo dum so ekoso. Me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Enye je na koso ho. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. Apim for any nkola omundi fie dumienu enom. FDA adwigede nkatwe ato.
Sa wo pe wallpapers ye papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. Sa wo pe wallpapers e dey decorate offices. Sa wo fie sorry. Sa ye paps ahodo. Baby bia wo nya wallpaper dey do djuma bia no. OP wallpapers efro. Ye ma wallpapers e be match with blind curtains. E ba no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or mark shapes. Colors out do nyina ubenya bi ato e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey about flash screen echi a eno so OP e be mo bi se open self ring light out do phone be shim e OP wallpapers and e be ma self ring light OP e wo Kumasi adum first floor Nana Kwesi Agyeman building na mu Tafo GNTC building first floor ana Chronom or barrier on the market no edi anim hwe se open wholesale and also retail any OP any nsa wo so free OP e was 0540-353750.
Mamishe time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a ya draw Yadro say, Mani Pedrian Quamuano, Enya Hotin, na Aquatia Yare, and Chain Yare and San Wakakoto, Fire Wadro, Nanomno Abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono one more and at the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wenyen mfisia dumienu enumbi wo pinfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Akufado, minya udeni, uyebwe. Baumia, minya udeni, uyebwe.
Hey, Mami Jemfwa, na mawani aji ya we say.
Minya, sema kaya dia free SHS. Aya mama neme mawahu. Kami uhuni minya mpo. Esandi ya nanado danko Akufado. Eno Dr. Baumia ayenti. Sawa kaya bra. Mikuna no shaye nyina free muno.
Ani, mikaipa.
Nani daso nyina sa. Sema deme mami ensani nyina beko school. Eko si se nanado danko Akufado. Eno Dr. Baumia. Edi free SHS ebaye. Sisi ya mami ensa. Kofi, esi, eni kojo. Eni na kosko wa kesi nibi. Minya, na wani mde ya mweka. Omuso omuba, omuden sacha ya bebe mo. Ebi muso omuba omube chem. Ebi muso so omuba mbema ufo nibi etuye school fees nibi.
Hey, omupesa mo yoma je nibi mo. Inti shasa wine ntuya. Na wine kwa ni free. Omupesa mo ya, ye nibi no. Esi nchen. Na mo side mo connection man. Ani protocol nsemi. Say free SHS fape ya yemba yikoyo.
Anu ti na wasi abaya humode biya say. Ye bebo free SHS humbain. Na ya no mamba say ade papa. Na nado ene Dr. Baumia ede abrayen you.
Any free SHS for yana mama nene nkofo se anya possible yi.
Nanso se say dear, it is possible. Afiwe, ye tu abadi abo free SHS humbain. Tu mama Dr. Baumia, number 1 on the ballot.
Na ede na aya obayi a oda former son yafunu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be benfie pi nanso ne yemu nyono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ye nwanwa
Ninyi ni say what also tamfo Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture yanum bom kutia also no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada also dro de eno ne Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture
akom ni nchiremu
also yekura eto yefunu ene ensunu mu etuma wo yefunu ekekawa wodire ho a enye also etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye also there for pen Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudura to a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228555 Apefo abatanya woma won mofra for any mofra woni mfiedu mienu enka ho Haxa capsules any ne mixture
all satanfo FDA age adwadie nkrato yi atom
Ashafo ye mama kwaba ede aba Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska de said ye munimo no ono na de wallpapers ebaye ene what the different kinds of eniema abefom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi mete sa blind curtains center mats sofa covers material curtains comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie dem bia Alaska Star Enterprise ye wo Kumasi adum Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno ena ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wo TikTok lane opposite Circle Mall Okanshi NS Chemist building nim Alaska Star Enterprise your number 1 shopping center.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver.
Yemre na yentoa so enso ewofie ba fie enso anasana interschool no egusua ekoso ene match sababa so wey enso aye third place game and afi final game ana e wo se no ba so third place na aye game a o was ebo e de tia sakafia eno aye big game e wo se ba so third place eno no ana final match no so aye o case ebo e de tia Sims enti anya match ketwa kra na mom ye rom o case a coach we rom enso our final na ye frono aye George Amwakwa said George and so qualified the rom enso our final enra wa bro dinkunim no ye nten some case enso coach at the tuja.
It's a very, very tough game. Physically they were there, technically they were there, and they've been coached too. We have a good coach, a former referee, Coach Lawa. We show matches our Mabunina physically. We are very, very aggressive. And we thank God so they we are there. Am I you said the person and
I know you right fan say I George Amwaku coach Edema Okes and I say your den accepts MRF. You be say when I revenge and because 2 seasons ago since and the woman and I say enye ketwa kran and you bian we no one more two omo and I say saying and I almost a final game yi.
If you say it's a revenge, the game will decide tomorrow. They are very good technical side, they are good. They have also a good coach, Cassandra. But okay, so prepared for them. This is a man that we look for. Yes, our more independent to see, and we hope God will give us what we want.
Yes, I know I coach George Amwako and more care so more ball or game and so Edia Sims and a final game about so now Sims a striker say captain Ebenezer Do Humado or no and so a Kasaka Krawa Brekoba say almost a remedy dunkum dia qualified a final no and in Pukwani rule and HS so be or no and so I can say the only goal and a qualification by Yebeti almost striker Sims into Humado.
Since I qualified the final of this stage. Now, I said, you are not and say, Messiah, the captain of the team. And Missa said, the really good. The team will qualify to fight. They didn't kind of Sidabama, the coach Sandra. No, through me, teachings be me, motivations be, and a man, what we do this stage.
Mrs. Na mini abaso ho ye de. Bibia okay. Dog on so here. Okay. Afin Japan so.
Afin come to you fie so. Afin Samre. Bibia
ife. Yo bibia be 5 kwa wi nyame aye wi. Bobo enkomo e.
Me da se ye de ye call Jerry Nas Herbal Center as ye na yakodi enu papa anom amaye ho atoyen Jerry Nas Herbal Center. And Dr. Jerry Asare Nyankopon nam ne so edi nupa mienu aba edwasoa they say enya asam kotwa ebu adwumu ankasa yie ema asumdwe eba ye nipa edua no emu te se bia wo hyeme ana wo tie me na niema enkoye emfama awie ya de meka kire wo nyina ne seka wakoma to yem na ebra woni Jerry Nas for edi ahia no Nyankopon fa ye so ama waduro anom kama ama asumdwe etimi aba edi ama ye de no pa mienu aya to din Jerry Nas eba mixture na afi Jerry Nas Vico mixture aba edwa so edure mienu no ebia wona dwuma eye anase dwumadi a ebia di woni pedua nom sonko se Vico mixture ne de be ma na oba nom a se wo se mensa aya na ye titiriti edura na adwa mentimi na maposo na ehweme mekwa adwuma ba age se ye de meto wona ye miemia me free mazi me driver ni me obi a meton ade wo kro metna se check akra bia na asem aba ma ade treat of am kra yentimi emfa na bema sa wo ye bema pa na sa ne ma wo ya mekeka nyina bi koso ni pedua mu a ebe de na ukofie etimi afro dadi me pa cha obasa kwadwo papa no akwasi papa no akwaku papa bra kwa me ne chese e ma ni bi kan emom ya e ma no so ye ntwa so Christmas ye be emfa ho ni tinti bia first na ente sa ene na aba ne sa ye kan bo modern na de Jerry Nas Vico mixer e fa ma wodofo no na wo so siesie bia eye o be ma kokrom no wato ade bra oba ne ni age oba bi tirim odia ma onto ade a beboa ne kuna pom den emfa ma ne da ye nyan de no na ye nto aduro e ma ye kunonom na ebeduru baabi no e de wo haw kese beba beto ye ni ankasa ye so sanse eyi ye aduro eyi tete nyina free bema kwam Dr. Nyankopon enhiraw edure me se wona fancy wo mu tie wo pa ne adanse a wo mu difa na me hwe sompa na me tie force na just say de fancy be kan no oh just say won so ya oh no kre adanse no eba ebro so disa wo ni adanse ni bia enkase wonom adura nom yenye adure aphrodisia bia ni mo eti ne ese wonya free 12 years kokora wutimi no bi aphrodisia no ne ese 18 years ba yenye ndure ese 12 years wonya bi no ma ebeboa wo sanse ahotutuo ni ade ni ntino adure ko nipa eye bibiduro krogen bribia fragana haya enu na haba mane ade eda me di doctor echi call forest bia okwatiti nua bi nam dog na say aba we de baby bia last time obi site bi we de me call ye senra we nyina twitwa tugu yo me pa cho na yenim ene me hu sa aba ni nyina me tete de koma doctor e de ye aduru Jerinas Vico make chapa reni pedua ni mu a utimi nse wanom adura nkasa utimi nse wama eni pedua no chese ne kasa be kasa sisi ade me ko akiri maposo rheumatism ni nyina ebejai ama anwoto na sad that no esade anigye sonko etimi asa braw ye dem ya fit chese baby bia ebeko bia no de asomdue ebre yankasa ebia na wotikam na wutie unya adura bia na so kredin no bi kra na wotie Jerinas Vico make sure mama fa number na ma ochro ukodu drugstore bia na wrafia no ansa wo fre dog na meet yo e wo sompa na me hwe wo ha e na me fa number na aduro no kra no de waposo no wo see e friend say na doctor aboa wo number no e 0241 814 677 0241 814 Doctor Penny number eno no dia wonti ase bia no bomode na frɛ no na enene ni nkomo na bibia betimi akoye ede amaw Jerinas Vico make sure eboa papa eyedu papa yenua no ma no yenom a eboa ye ma ya tenka ne libido no chese wotimi say eniema koyi ankasa na da bia na mabre na kwa ne chese ada yen kwone sawo this time pa de me si ade na hyew dem kro baby wura wa be yi o na wugya no ko gina bonten de a beje wonsem me so krokro be man ope wompe fatata no fedi na chi okwa na wo de sano oba na wo de sano no wo hunu say yes onso so ani abre so that ono ankasa nso hunu say eniema nkoyi a ono nso abone ho mode nti be ma wo nom no ene oba no nyina nom ne nyina ye ne gie ba eye kama pa ma na esi Christmas bo wig na bra kwadwo wa anto wig amame wa ama misika ankobo miti na wo de sa ne ma we kwada ho no we de to wig ade bi wo ho no ma wutimi ye surprise be ma enye wo bo na obeka wig obeba no no nam wig be 20 na kita no obeba no na sika na nka wo ankasa nka wo bisa ye kra ka beka bi 2000 obeba na sika e envelope makita no na de wa send ya ma omomo no ebebo wa wonti ase so enti wa ankasa ya ade a ebekwa akofrefre sa ne ma na wa ankasa wo pe no e dia bro ade bi wo no ma ye modin wa ankasa wadwuma pa wa ankasa wo sompa e na ede akatuapa ebebre wo enti eduro ne Jerinas Vico mixture bo modern na no numbi na emwa ba ko ka ho so ano so boa pa amaye maame nom ene kasa bebrebe ene wantwi maamefo ne bebre kodwomu a ene na chese asomduaba eno ne Jerinas Heba mixture say malaria pa say typhoid pa say jaundice say dro we be ko ni padua mu a obesa ba biem dabi eno ntiri unya botra ye dro no ye boto ne so pa eti unya ba ko na wonom a ebe take 1 week say 2 weeks wonom wie ya no asa kwato foforo unya mako 4 na wonom a say yade na tena wo so fie sen ade se wa no maduro ni ye ye nom no continuous ye nom nansa no wanda bi wonom na no pa awia ne anwumre say the doctor ebe ka kire wo no say the actual box no ye say no 3 times daily da bia miensa wonom sadre to aso atai for that na so fie bebre da bia de se ko flash wo ni paduam ne edi nsu awodo wo si so ne pentini kura ne enya bi wo ma wo buku na boka abo wo yire di hospital akwani abasa o mebre bo modern na pe Jerinas Heba mixture edure bi na no nom na wo huru ni padua no typhoid ni nyina mra bonten malaria wodo nkosu atogu ni padua no mu a chesese wo je wo a wo bo gata tra ya na wo yare no Jerinas Heba mixture ene beboa wo entwen enyare na wo ma hu so gidigidi ansa no akopa edure bi yen no ye de bo ye ho ba memenom na no pa awia ne anumre ente se obi ehum yen na draw security ni se Jerinas Heba mixture menom pa sansa aba bi wo mu a wonom aduro ya ema wo da ema wo didi ni nipa sa wo honom na bosom so na wonya kakra to wo wonya bi di nya bi to accounts mu na wotimi detimi didi na wo be ma papa bi wo ba papa bi wo abrabo mu a ebi ye sure sa wo ho ye fe ai wo ko wanim nko a because we wotimi didi anopa wotimi didi anumre so so wotimi didi anadu so wotimi didi san sapomuden no ekoyie e de ema Jarina Seba Mexa ya maame no momodu mo manipos empempen so andropos for me ma no susu nyina enum bi ene wunduru manipos no kasa yetenten wanim kura atwintwam woni padua no esesa obia ne tama ne de ba me obi of 45 years enso so watwabra eti mesra wani de ani ahobrasem o nonnom Jarina Seba Mexa na nkofa nsunsu aso ohaw bi amrew ebeboa mo atimi adidi kama ebeboa mo atimi ada oba obu sa emeye eno so ya ne ha adwen pa to me di adwendwene ebra yen emey enti oba obu nsa na semeya yes but modern nanonom Jarinas Heba Mexa na entim emwa epenifo se kasa tenten entoponko te me ba ya na sempa etia ni nansa me be ka nam the doctor number na ma na maka cho se kumase ha de ye wo breman DVL ho no ose kwadwo breman ye frɛ baabi ose kwadwo ya ba bie DVL ho honom ye ne DVL na ye adjacent ye ben ho pe bo nsuo kura bi ho enti uduru ho no ma wo se wo hwɛ Jarina stores na sound no tenten no hobby na ubehu Jarina Seba Center frɛ doctor na ni nkomo se wo pe bie tu aton se wo pe baako so costo bie mu na sebi ni ho no ma frɛ doctor fama yes store na ko mu no let us one akro na ready so pesika because they say bibi dro pan na die kumasia ura store bie ma ye di ho adanse na ye topa no ye Jarina's Vico Mixer and afi Jarina Seba Mixer me da for doctor number no 0241 814 677 0241 814 677 see no so numbers ni nyina de otimi fire no o frɛ doctor number so no me mo bibia official pa enim say nyankopon ya doma bibia be fine bibia be fine
bronya de ni nyina no mo benya
bibia
mo kwa no so mo de ba bronya mo de ba okay nana de oti asemase
o papa
o ma no mai simple pa ma tebe da se wo yemre na afi yemre to aso me za mo na yenkwen real quick na the Ghana Football Association Communications Director and so Henry Asante Chum na ose wo munyan take decision bia on Otuado inter school ni de mahari but ye behwem ayintie ore for Henry Asante Chum but Mr. Mo say bia ore TV and our Facebook ne drum be na say images ni free so ye nya one hit ye go so ye na bibia be san ba back come na what me enjoy the same sound eba yemtie
no nti ebeja no abije emrepe mu no chekoba se embenifo no ye de ombe ye wie na omo efi say obibi wo wa say ye de to manfo anymore ye de beto amanfo ni
enti omunya ntake decision bia nti so mu wie na bibi wo ho awso mo de to Ghana man ni mo de beto Ghana fo ni nyina so ene mebiam Henry Asante Chum so say national teams are so far omo so eco break eno hu di hu komo kakra
national teams in Pampam at this moment. I think the black maidens are there and then the black galaxies are there. But black maidens in Kaho because almost 17 and below. And the black galaxies also they share the music. If we break you on this week and no mako ako to abano. After that, Oma resume. Omba omunko be government say Nigeria can qualify no.
Let me say preparations now no muguso omoye no. And now medical can say coach Otuado decision then the issues na bobo the matter is not in the FA's hand and the dynamics of it no eyo omumi no mu decisions on take over the years and the implications of it and a result amaya ba bedroom pempen so eti say na me say there is Solomon Safu Taylor on say the banton so for name changing in your man kakra krabia na ekokoso no. And as it stands now, no, CAS, the case of the call, no, what me didn't kunim. Ama CAS overturn the decision. Say Ceciano Solomon Safu Taylor, a bit me see a kind at the Ama Club Ubia or Pese Usia kind at the mano. Now, how this particular thing came about, any baby Ababijuno, my brabonana sometimes it is quite funny. Say you step on toes na at the Kodiana Timia Fetchri Aquacobaito. Fancy baby a yegyina sesi and how this situation unfolded no Emma Kodane very bitter about the club in the shape of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No, you're very bitter. No, you're very bitter. Reporting just because he said Mose Akodano Sikana or Jiwa club no Muntimine nye Juma Intika onja honko non terminating the contract no biana Akolano suji 2 years or no baby oteno Nisikano and one or Bejinadi and one ope into Otuaswaji respecting contractual terms within clubs and the mafia works that comes with football no and to the bia yen the future relationship between Adiana Odi nipa no ene sunsun so a won sabeti ma Canada che see an cars are overturning wa wadifu bia no he say you are going to pay for the court charges and this an your money nyina beto so ama akoda no so etimi start the football career I know say baby abon na duru no say safutela kra betima sa abobiem kra na I don't know how some of these things are actually going to go by but psychologically a bit more hante akoda we palma dachi bin a bit more kofa issues we pray edia by any kwan say edeba. Now in our preparation towards the CHAN tournament that name baby city akono fancy besi ne I yebusa say yenya audio of players form one know what we want to see the pese here after say a call CHAN and Maxwell Konedu yasa ko CHAN asa kwa kogu ehu animu ase asa abananse ya enche bia enyoma esisi ni the kind of players e de omo call tournament no anything ebobo ekọ nyina ekoba ye de ne gu ase ne ba akuru ase. In our preparation towards the CHAN game against Nigeria where a bit more qualify because you see an CAF at the pressure see Kenya so say Kenya and making sure say in the next 28 days in almost stadium no, they will be done by it and as be normal to me asha see preparation towards the proper CHAN tournament. In this instance, in terms of Sikasem and your Kosovo, fancy the whole problem around Sikasem ni bibia a bit me pia boys ya momotima ya juma ma confidence aba and the bonus is a bit me the remnant say the government and the people involved omuni attention say attention in the campaign so because be mu lose omu seat. I'm still shocked say you qualify for Morocco Black Queens. What to say about what friendly matches being preparation towards the Black Queens AFCON near Bekonana? So won't it? Omu years kakakra area preparations towards pushing for the AFCON, a Mano African Cup of Nations. So mbako bo more than omu nyase escano because you see $40,000. Intimate for more from preparation. Black Princesses prepare. Omu prepare no omu years ka area preparations. Almost yes, is can you honor you beat me at the amount of preparations. Then I ask myself, say, me no te hasi in Ankasano. Say Black Stars say, ye be bon match and I say games are ya boy tremu ka Black Stars share. Ananke qualifier ko musika mai. Ko musika mai. You see, we do all these things and we expect to perform magic when you get to the tournament. Wait, nipa bi obe win elections ni bi abeba. Ama be catch ya ba be share bo say. Ye ko CHAN no someone from the FA will go and convince them say mama is say ye ko CHAN na e ba akodi aba obi ba ko catch ro mo say Women's African Cup of Nations aye kwa akobo no si ye nyoma wo edugu akwan mu a anase mama is say ya ye betima kwa akodi aba because coach na yakofa na ba no ya ade ba fancy me no wo ka say that time ya ye ho kire ya ye press even friendly matches ko benya bia bo a ye nyes ka kran fan bonus an nyoma ni nyina no obi prepare obi ye ne de so you mean say okwa oba ko she ni easy and ase no akwa fa anwodi it is not possible for it to act that particular way enya adwuma sa and the way he sitting manage some of these issues around the other national teams and the attention we give to it and it to be a hamakoma football enya magic football ye ntena se nya ne say Harry Potter na opeja magic stick na no ato ne film na akwa kosi na dane na ma bibia timi asi there be. It shouldn't happen that way. And me say, we will be here. Omo de beba. And when we raise a certain concern be about Kumasi Asante Kotoko technical decision over taking. Now, Malik Jaber, I could dim come over be say, oh no. On to mean 2 away matches. No one assistant to be on the beshe. No more the reports naba. Fancy. It's dear pan. Ye ban e kosui. Football ni any say. If you're not ready to work, let someone else in that capacity. You see, Fancy, it hurt me so much. So these things happen. At this stage of football development in the BSCT about football, we still resort to some of these things, which does not actually improve the level of football we want to see. Why do we do this to ourselves? Me say, enchibia, korokono, ijabesatum. Me see ija, ebesatum. No, I'm not a prophet of doom. By trap now, mo setting any share now mo yen. Most shad na man to so pepe. Sa do we dear. Say ya nebesi, na say ya nebeba. And this is what is going to happen. And Yabako heard the final of the Milo games. Okay. And it seems. And now we enjoyed Okes and it's Akafia. Very intense game at the highest level. Now, I thank God say Omanya sponsor ba kubia Fancy scanning soon. First and Kulana de Nomoja and Momo the trophy in the market.
It has 500 be a bemana.
500 name mattress. Any mattress, any pillow be a
sized
mattress, any pillow.
Oh, so now wow, player
of the match. Yeah, your mouse mattress. And at the end of the tournament, in the Sunuti Media 500 CDs near the amount, Sefakofi. And how we project in Kodano, and the way the impact is, and the way hype no, a kahonano. I think furthermore we should think about doing something better. Maybe it's not a carpet in us, and we are more time, Mammy Moma Basso.
Inside them, the Nipania
carry
no Abonabasso,
and almost game now, no more tapa. Wow. And they did so well with that. Omunyan is just to keep it in shape before I buy a book masters and take a and the house of folk.
Raspberry
players say they are sometimes it's here in your mind. I say, when you are go king, I cast one could finish in you. No behind this is your Kruma.
Are they?
Play a part man of the match, university size mattress, pa owns them.
Most last season, I win.
No, be new, and I say, Biaban Jazzy. Yadina at the young fanas, I am fanas, yes, Sama, baby, I include baby, my neck on a idea. But a bossy for the boafu, a bossy support is some support to us and go to boafu.
Wow.
Because Omujidi is a more banamo by almost all supported team, no, and almost team of free, ever support, but move for us and more free ho. Man can't romo, and no codanchain. Our more supporters, leaders, nibbing Kumudi Teresa. A month for ye be a park and so a man queen from us and go to sign mass and go to cocoa far more. Now it's all a man. As a month for person, but they show bossy for say, or money ye am a team enough results in Kuye. Jumper so much says, when you be beyond van Yawasi Quaya, a monochrono. To for pa. Didn't I may address issue and say, eh, be a maybe best but BM.
Oh, Baba, answer the sentence near 2.
And check, nay, the ama, I am a
sports.
Until be a maybe but BM Sampany won't call. Nan so go fast and for the aba. When now brings us to Kumasas and Nokotoko, the way are no man is here in terms of information flow near the Adi. Debbie America said this department, as a can be a communications department, it entails a lot, not just pictures. Videos, communicates about one thing. In times of Sanumanuma, you sit down strategically and try to bring out something that will cool tempers down. By her commands, and go say, yeah, one department almost take your pictures, your videos, and content to YouTube. They are doing so well, but they need someone who is up there and will be giving directions. So, man, yes, I did not Sanumanuma each every single time, and the back club no one man koyi opa and zemu and some back to ko pa ba no ye ne maye to say sa technical director on say open here friend manager be na echechi mu na djuma onu na echechi mu na djuma but in some places communication director no will give vivid information as to bianca sanema obeye eno asasa no ko de aba no to social media na so me papa ko akwo on social media no so otie radio no pe information no na otia waka no eno ho asem wo de koto ntentan so sa me mekọ akofa ba me papa bi otie akura se ma me bi otie akura no obi de no akofa won ntentan so they need people to go down and explain things to amount for eno na mo boase fo bu ofu yi e bia ne yie mu na mo ba back to Kumasi because ye baba yara
enye ne bonne
so nti yen communicating
go mo kwa some more invest wo
yes
stadium anya ye hu se pitch no
aye kama
mo na ma kama
o ba waka bibi na mo san nye na operation emwa sa na manwa na emwa ene koya ma aye se de biara do be fra asante kotoko akwa na bi ya obi na ode ko ni ade sa na wan nya de bebo aye yentimi ntwa so ne yenyi mfiri ho na no man ntimi nkoye mfama yen football ne de yesi de se de brofo ne ye football no hwesoro no ye ne yesi ni tra
brass mistro
yesi ni tra se ne hefom sa nti de biada amanfo obre and omo di animu no so be kan se ma e de dia tra amanfo atrete no omo yie no so don so tu futuru gu amanfo ani sa me no kase pa yen football yi e be kakra ball ne betena e be jaga na ball no asem kan because o kaka obetiba bi nye na so obefa na de o kan so won fa because de o ye no o ye de o kan a emfa sika ntu no botom de won fiu nti de opena na o ye de opena na opese o ye bas betimi atu kobi mensafo a mo onko aduana ai se betimi atu kobi mensafo na omu ben no mo onko aduana nyomere tu no obechim no okọ aduana e be san ato no se bechem wako ya bo o bo no homoden yesi ebia o panimi bi sika mane ade wako ginam so na ye head coach yen hwe nipa krunti ne ba be fa hotan e be si wodo ma wo kwa yem nya wo se wonko aye adwuma no eno ema wo nya adwuma se de wo pe e kwa fa asem de aba nti so obetie no obeye ni mo ya sense obekwa he need to put pen to paper certain things are so yi free no mo le to otimi free ho enye sa do manyo and players ni omo won ni omo ye no omo man akonya free hands to operate on person operate no and to bring issues coach e be yes okọ hana okọ e be o service so sa enya ade ye nti to betia futu we pa de a ho de lalai
wo mama mfa me course ne mama mfa course no na afrefo no so embra so 0551931931 0548931931 hello caller. Hello. Yes, open it you.
The poster boy, honorable evidence, senator that passed to do something about from Piano. Now, remember the Cadaver Sabato, you can go to a cutting your papa. And again, to university, ask money going to university. The work of the everything in there. We have not found out who's the umpire touching the sea. And the man you go from the said go from something to ask my neck or embrace water. Now, why is it possible? No, a bit grim now. Or market a job with them. That 5 minutes here.
Okay, Mate, next. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Open it you.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
Hello, Thomas.
Wow, Tommy, it's you.
So, you want to say you go about financial.
Okay.
You should have
on Shawn so. And city for a bonny mass, a general Sumaman farmer, I'm a Sarah, I'm busy, maybe because no money dorsal. Aha. Well, 7:30. Why 7:30? Tommy, 7:30. Why? Tea. I don't know. Whoa. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Openi, yeah, ton kayetio.
But you are not. Ghana politician, I don't think the show what was say to about them all. Only the Ghana room. One person a character Ghana politicians more. I to fit the other. I do myself to Ghana for energy. So more drink only a page now my air and I was just a party in United. Who could be? And then yet, Casanche and for Yan on one, and I can't find one. Yeah, two bonus for
Oh, Mate, you say. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Simon, again.
Simon, it's you.
Yo, I have my personage, my dear Mudiama Santa Marica and Amina. Now, about the supporters and almost say. Kotoko, Lusu on man, not in Lucas, Lucani, another Mungawaza. What's a bad pack, you know? It could be and San what they call. Again, there are supporters in the morning. But to go through a muffle, you don't need to come with and Ghana Blaster, I need Simon Kituano. Send it to the policy and on the day. It will cook. Unpacking a normal. Because what my brother has said, because the president here, what I say, who could see the president one about and the 17 and the 20? Are they? Yes, I know.
Yes, sir. Say hello.
Hello, Fancy, Dimara.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Opening your jaw so way.
I'm the DJ photo, and the one about an old for Western North, South District.
48 you.
I was with my Pambo, my Ghana. Hey, it was today. Serena, Wakonekano. Tumasu Kobla Santukotoko. Is your communication team. A man, and simple on for Eba Media Subeka at the end of the crab, and Ella Biano. My friends and love the communication team on one. I don't get to Kobawacha. Uncle Radio so, Echo Catman and Amachita said it. And now, our Konikano. Ama said, no, there is some content as you so. Ama a Pamo or Mote Radio Chomutino. I will go with your Koso team. But no calling me and I read your by and where the day, as in a communication team. I will be a team, the coin, the piano. Malika, mine on him talk to I will see him. After you say, I'm going to get the brewery. Said, and Papa and I granted interview radio. I didn't got to 2 months to say, who is your mother. So yesterday, but I buying the TV I don't want to know beyond everything I can say. As well, call Bossy. So that's what I said, but I want to know about half of you. I'm going to anything to know my years. So I said, you know, no more answer for the piano. We'll go up and see with my day. About my kitchen now. A little.
That's it. You're not safe from Bra. Quick. Hello.
For God.
Yes, or Penny.
You God. What is out of Papa?
Way.
Mamma Pato. Nakatra media American Yanum did the baby come and copy. What the way to Mammy? Yes, we could have none of the Nancy Yabadi. Now, you got the time. I do it to me. The best thing in your case, you're going to mother dream. You done some of the kind of fellow that's not in anything. Then the name of the problem is not in anything. You are no more than that. I was in your mind for any sense of a gun of football and more than a football. Now, I hear back with the best of me. For God, no come Watson. To say Ghana, your class partner. So in case you're about the bomb match. Park it down the big show Ghana happy. Pitch it down and the double football. If you were kept, I don't know when you are now. Babanya la nana die, where you go into the school play. 15 nine bata. The company for your bedroom. We attack upon the snack, you're not letting me perform match over the football. The best company for one to put your main. But the Ghana, young beyond that's the Ghana football is the one I come out.
Oh, Mate, infants